Hi everyone, welcome back. So Codeforces question for today is Sakurako's exam. This is a div3 a problem. So today Sakurako has a math exam. The teacher gave him an array consisting of A ones and B twos. In an array, Sakurako must place either a plus or a minus sign in front of each element so that the sum of all elements in the array equals 0. Sakurako is not sure if it is possible to solve this problem. So we have to determine whether there is a play, there is a way to assign signs such that the sum of all elements in the array becomes 0. So we can place a plus or minus sign and we have to make the sum 0. But how shall we do this? There are A1s and B2s. What we will want to make the sum 0? The best thing we will like is half 2's we will make plus positive, and half 2's we will make negative. So their sum is 0, and same we will do for the ones. This is the best case, but for this the number of 2's should be even as number of ones should be even, right? So if both are even, that case is obviously yes. If both are not even, means one of them is odd. Now see, if a number of ones is odd, means you have three ones. So can you ever make sum 0? If you have an extra 2, if you'd like to add or subtract a 2, two ones will be gone, but one shall be remaining. So for the odd number of ones, anyway, you can never make the sum 0 for 3 ones, 1 1 or 5 ones. Any way you do, you can never make the sum 0 if the number of ones is odd, right? So this is our second condition. If both are even, answer is yes. If number of ones is odd, answer is always no. Now the other case is if number of twos is odd. So if we have three twos or one two, so that two we can manage with with two ones and a 2. So you can make any of them negative or positive, and it can be managed to give the sum 0. So for that, to manage extra 2, if the number of 2's is odd, half of them will be positive, half of them negative, they will balance each other. One extra 2 that is remaining will be managed by two ones. So but if the number of ones is 0, then we will not be able to manage it. If it is 1, it will be odd, then no. If so, the number of ones will be either 0, 2, 4, right? So if it is 0 and number of 2's is odd, we will not be able to find our answer because we do not have ones to manage it. Otherwise, in other case, if we have an extra 2 and number of ones are there, we can manage it. So this is the solution. What we have to do, first approach, we shall see our conditions that we have thought of. If both are even, answer is yes. If this condition does not fulfill, mean one of them is odd. So we will check if number of ones is odd, answer is always no. But if else, or number of twos will be odd. So for that case, we have to check if the number of ones is greater than 0. We will have an answer. That means it will be yes, because it will be 2, 4, 6, 8. We will just subtract two ones and manage it with extra 2, and remaining will be balanced among themselves. So the answer will be yes. Otherwise, the answer is no. So this was the simple conditions. Using conditions, we have managed our answer. Now, these are so many conditions. If we want to solve it using one condition, then this way we can do it. 2's mod 2. This will give us whether it is even or odd. So for even it will be 0. For odd we will be getting value 1. So for odd we will have 1. And what we have to do? We have to multiply it with 2, because two ones we have to subtract from ones, right, to manage that odd 2. If it is even, we do not have to subtract anything. If it is odd, we have to subtract 2 from ones. So this will be done by this one statement. So 2's mod 2 into 2 ones minus equal to. So after this statement, ones will be subtracted by 2 if the 2's is odd, and it will remain same if the 2's is even. So now we just have to check this once. If it is odd, our answer is obviously no, and if it is less than 0, that means our answer is no. Otherwise our answer is yes. So all these conditions are done by these three statements. So this was just other way of doing the same thing. I hope you guys would have got the idea. Such questions are very common on Codeforces. So I hope I would have helped you to understand the concept. Thanks for watching the video. Have fun. Bye.